Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Government of India invites expression of interest for battery energy storage systems. Green Grids initiatives: One Solar, One World, One Grid Northwest Europe cooperative event. Update on solar projects and tenders. Coming to the details. Solar Energy Corporation of India has called for the expression of interest for procurement of 1000 megawatt-hour battery energy storage systems. A pre-bid conference scheduled to be held on 28th October 2021 at 4 p.m. Based on the suggestions and the feedback from various stakeholders, the final RFS documents will be floated in the first week of November 2021, along with final comprehensive guidelines for procurement and utilization of battery energy storage system as a part of generation, transmission and distribution assets with all ancillary services. India plans to use energy storage system under following business cases: renewable energy along with energy storage system as grid element to maximize the use of transmission system and strengthening grid stability, and also to save investment in the augmentation of transmission infrastructure. Storage as an asset for balancing services and flexible operation. The system operator load dispatch centers may use storage system for frequency control and balancing services to manage the inherent uncertainty variations in the load due to ungeneration. Storage for distribution systems: it may be placed at the load center to manage its peak load and other obligations as a merchant capacity by the energy storage system developer and sell in the power market. Any other future business models as a combination of the above. Union Minister for Power and New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, Sri R.K. Singh addressed the ministerial session of the Green Grids Initiatives One Sun, One World, One Grid Northwest Europe cooperative event. The event saw the participation from United Kingdom, Belgium and International Solar Alliance and World Bank. India provided the insights into the work that is being undertaken towards the initiative. Acknowledging the challenges presented by the intermittent nature of solar and wind energy sources and by the high cost of energy storage, the Green Grids Initiative One Solar, One World, One Grid initiative is a possible solution for driving down the need for storage and in effect reduce the costs of energy transition. Extending the UK's support behind the GGI OSOWOG initiative, UK emphasized the country's intentions of strengthening international collaborations well beyond COP26. Northwest Europe cooperative event saw a multi-layered dialogue between the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative and the project in Northwest Europe for developing cross-border trading of renewable electricity. Belgium emphasized the need for action by political leaders and engagement from all countries, big and small, to invest in the energy of tomorrow. Sustainable development and climate change mitigation are the heart of GGI OSOWOG initiative, and the scale of the project could be very well make it the next biggest modern engineering marvel. Jubilant Ingravia, a Noida-based integrated life sciences company, has signed an agreement with AMP Energy C&I Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of AMP Energy, to acquire a 26.6% stake in AMP Green Energy 15 Private Limited to set up a 15.5 megawatt solar project in Maharashtra for captive power generation. The Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Mahagenco has invited bids for design, engineering, manufacturing, supply, erection and commissioning of 25 megawatt grid connected solar power project with associated 33 kV evacuation lines in Dhule district of Maharashtra. The successful bidder will also have to take care of the operation and maintenance activities for the project for 25 years. The last date to submit the bids online is November 10, 2021. The pre-bid meeting will take place on October 21. AstraZeneca accelerated the renewable energy productivity targets in the power and heat by installation more than 1176 solar panels in their factory premises to reduce overall carbon footprint. This 588 kilowatt solar array will generate 9 lakh units per annum that will provide 12 to 15% of energy requirement of manufacturing site at Bengaluru. This will also result in reduction of more than 20,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions over system's lifetime. With this installation, more than 90% of the manufacturing site energy requirements is now being provided by solar power. Additional news today. Delhi government floats tenders for inducting 140 electric buses. Coal position. 112 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 137 gigawatt has coal stocks for less than 7 days. Odisha Electricity Regulatory Commission has exempted captive cogenerating units of Aarti Steels, Tata Steel Long Products and Visa Steel from RPO compliance. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 257.31 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 12 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 41 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 15 rupees 36 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 9 rupees 67 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 10 rupees 60 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.